Welcome back to SiteForgeOnline.com. Our tutorials today, what we're going to do is we're going to show you how to set up a custom feedback form. Now, if you've ever worked with developers, you know how much of a pain that is and all the costs associated with that. But what we're going to show you is how to do it by yourself in about 5 minutes. So what we're going to do right now, we're just going to log into our account. Once we're logged in, we're going to move to edit our site. So we're at My Home. We're going to click Edit Our Site here. Here we go. Now what we want to do is we want to select Add a Page. We're going to select the Custom Feedback Form. There it is, the communication tool, feedback form. We'll just select that. Let's rename the form to Contact Us. And for the page URL, we'll just type in contact. Now we want to show this page as part of our navigation menu, so we'll keep the checkbox there. Once we've added the page, we'll wait a second here for it to load up. There we go. We can see it's loaded down just below. We'll just view the page right now. As you can see, there's already the name and email address fields located there. And these are required fields. You can't modify these at all, but what you can do is you can add other contact or form fields that you'd like. So what we'll do is we'll add a field to the form. And for our first one, let's select the drop-down selection box. So we'll call this box the what's a good name for it? The inquiry type. There we go. And to select different options, all you do is you type in here. So we'll choose 3 options: sales, support, and other. We want to make this a required field, so we have people make that choice, and we're going to click Save. We can see there's the inquiry type, and if we just select the menu, there's our 3 choices: sales, support, and other. We want to make sure we save this. And we're going to view this, and there it is listed right below the email address tab. So let's add another field. We're going to choose the multi-line text field this time because we want people to type in their questions or comments. This is also a required field. We'll leave it at 5 rows for now. We'll click Save. There it is, appears below. Now if you wanted to change the order of these, it's very easy to do. All you have to do is drag them in the order that you want. As mentioned before though, the name and email address are always the first 2 fields. So we click Save. We'll view the page one more time. There we go. Now what we need to do here is modify the options. So we want the email to go to somebody once we go there. And we also want to edit the basic fields inside the form, just telling them to leave a comment using the form below. So what we'll do is we'll write that text in, select it, make it bold, make it a little bit larger. Scroll down to the bottom here. We're going to save the changes. So there we go. Please leave us your comments by using the form below. So we have that done. We want to email form submissions to. This would be the email address that somebody would be receiving these comments. We're going to select SiteForgeOnlineTest@gmail.com, which is our test account. And we want an autoresponder for somebody. So once they know that they've typed in their form, we want to make sure that we enter information for that to go back to them. So we'll set the from email address to SiteForgeOnlineTest@gmail.com. The name will be the web demo, and the subject will be "Thank you for your submission." In the email body, you could write a long email if you wanted, but for the purposes of this demo, we'll just say thank you. We'll save that. So you can see, I'm going to test this out now. Test account. We'll just keep using the Siteforge online test a Gmail account. Make the inquiry type other. And to prevent you from getting spam, what we have implemented is a CAPTCHA. CAPTCHA is this text you see down below. And the privacy policy is just standard. You can edit that under the website tools. The CAPTCHA will have to have someone enter this. This is case sensitive, so this prevents people from spamming you. So as you can see, the form is submitted from the test account, which is what we filled in. All the data is there. And once we go to our Gmail account, it should let us know that someone has sent us an email. There it is, form submitted. And there's the data. So as you can see, we've set up a custom feedback form. You can make other changes and add more information, but it's easy as that.